Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can assign a Kahoot quiz to your group to share it with your group members, for example. So let us guide you through this. So let me navigate to my Kahoot account and to the library tab here. And here guys, as you can see, I have created this example Kahoot here. You can assign it not only to individuals to invite them to join that quiz with these questions, you can also share it in your group here in Kahoot. So navigate to groups, select your group here, either under owned groups or joint groups, click into it. And here guys, you may announce the quiz or Kahoot here by posting it, or you may click into assign to connect a Kahoot from your library with your group. Click into it, select assign Kahoot, and go through your library here, select the given Kahoot. You may go through these assignment settings, for example, set a start date for the interactive quiz, start time, enable the question timer, and so on and so forth. You will see the participants limit here, depending on your account level. And after that, start by either adding a message, for example, with further instructions or a welcome message, or you may assign it now by clicking into this button. You will see the Kahoot assigned listed here, so that you may start hosting it for your group members by clicking into this button. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.